rocks and soil. It doesn't just stare at them, it bombards them with alpha particles and X-rays. This scientific onslaught reveals the chemical composition of the moon's surface materials. Think of it as a universe CSI tool for identifying the minerals and elements scattered across the lunar landscape. It's not just about figuring out what's there. It's about unraveling how these lunar wonders formed and spread out. On the rover, another tool is known as LIBS, which is short for Laser-Induced Breakdown Spectroscopy. It's like a lunar science wizard. LIBS wields a mighty laser beam that hits a bit of lunar stuff, turning it into a smoky riddle. Then, it takes out its trusty spectrometer, like a lunar detective, to dissect the smoky secrets. With LIBS, we're on a search to unveil the secrets of the moon's elements. We want to know how much of this and that is hanging around on the lunar surface, and how it compares to our home, Earth. This innovative machine had been carefully tucked away within the spacecraft's protective embrace during the journey. Both the lander and the rover were like treasure chests, brimming with over a dozen scientific instruments waiting to unveil the moon's secrets. Among them, a powerful laser was poised to analyze the moon's regolith, scrutinizing it for elusive water ice and the delicate veil of gases composing the moon's exosphere. The rover was also equipped with a specialized seismometer, ready to detect even the faintest moonquakes lurking beneath the lunar surface. With bated breath, the Indian Space Agency eagerly confirmed that all systems on both the lander and the rover were performing as expected after the delicate landing. This could only mean one thing. The anticipation of thrilling discoveries was about to be realized. As if on cue, Chandrayaan-3 sprung to life, transmitting a treasure collection of exclusive data back to Earth almost immediately after the historic landing. The eager anticipation of scientists and space enthusiasts alike was finally rewarded with a universe correlation of information. As the lunar sun began its descent, marking the end of a long day on the moon, the rover, having successfully completed its mission, was carefully put to rest, ready to greet another lunar day with its tireless spirit of exploration. The lander and rover depended on sunlight to charge their batteries, so the country's space agency had a plan to revive them when the next lunar day dawned. The rover, known as Pragyan, had covered an impressive distance of 328 feet from the lander before it went into its slumber. Surprisingly, this journey was quite a remarkable achievement for the six-wheeled rover, considering its gentle pace of just 1 centimeter per second. What makes it even more amazing is that the rover managed to navigate the treacherous landscape of the moon's seldom-explored South Pole region, which is riddled with craters. The secret behind this extraordinary feat lies